Hey lovelies, I got some more home fitness inspiration to keep you guys moving and keep your bodies busy and sore at the same time. I don't know about you guys, but I have been working out like non-stop and my body is just so sore, but at the same time it feels so good and I don't know how to stop because sometimes if I'm like, okay, today I'm gonna take the day off, I feel guilty then come evening and I end up working out anyway. So I don't know if you're like me, but I have definitely been on the grind while I'm at home. So I got a little leg day inspo for you guys now. I love a good leg day. It's like my favorite, I think, but at the same time, it is the hardest thing for me to get through. I had my honeys doing the videotaping this time to try to give you a little bit different view and angles as I was working through the positions and the exercises. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. It's definitely something that I haven't done before for you guys. Enjoy and get ready for a little leg day inspiration.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
If you guys have any questions, I would love to hear from you. I would love to help you out with your fitness journey. Honestly, if you have any questions on how I do some of these exercises or modifications, just let me know down below in the comments. I look at those daily and I try to get back to you as soon as I can. So I like to keep in touch with you guys. I try to show you some different options as well in the video. So hopefully that was beneficial for you. Again, if you don't have weights, no biggie. You can still do this without weights at all, or you can make shift with some of your household items as well. If you enjoyed this little leg day workout, I would love it if you gave the video a thumbs up. Always so greatly appreciated. If you haven't subscribed, that would be another thing that I would love your support with. I finally hit 5K and I'm so excited. So if you guys haven't subscribed, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button right there in the center, hitting the bell that's down below will keep you notified every single time I upload a video. I have more videos on the side if you'd like to see more of me. And until next time, stay safe and stay healthy, lovelies. Bye.